Hi, today we're going to teach you on how to change your Shopify password. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's begin. Please note that this video is intended for you to listen to. It's not meant to be watched, but simply to listen to our instructions while you do the steps along the way. Now let's start. The first thing that you need to do is from your Shopify admin, what you need to do is to click on your store name. After that, click Manage Account. After clicking Manage Account, simply click Security and then change password. After the password reset screen opens, enter your current password and a new password. Please take note that each of your passwords should be unique. Don't use the same password for more than one account, even if the accounts are related. Enter your new password again in the Confirm Password field, then click Change Password. Now, go to your Shopify login page and log in with your new password. And that's how you change your password on Shopify. I hope this video helped and thank you for watching.